Everyone, and welcome back to this beginners friendly MATLAB 3D plotting tutorials. In today's video, we will learn that how to create a mesh curtain plot in MATLAB. That is a very powerful and visually engaging way to present 3D surface data. So this type of plot combine a standard mesh surface with vertical lines, and we call it curtains that drop down to a base plane, helping you visualize depth, peaks, and valleys more clearly. So we will walk through each step slowly and clearly so that even if you are just starting up with the MATLAB, you will feel confident creating your own 3D curtain plots by the end of this video. So let's get started. We need to click on a new script. So an editor window pop up in front of us and we need to work on it. So we need to start our code by initializing our basic commands, that is CLC, clear all and close all. After that, we need to define our x and y values, and here I am using a linspace command. Using linspace command, so x is equals to linspace and my starting point is -3 and my ending point is 3. So linspace automatically distribute this data into 100 equal parts. So y is equals to linspace and I'm choosing -3 to 3. Okay, after that we need to create a grid because we are creating a mesh curtain plot. So that's why it's necessary to create mesh initially. So create grid of x and y values. So we have x comma y, that is equals to mesh grid, that is x comma y. After that we need to compute the value of z. Compute z values based on the given function. So z is equals to 1.8 dot h, and inside of the bracket we have negative 1.5 steric square root, and again we have a bracket, and inside of the bracket we have x square plus y square, and after that we have dot steric cos of 0.5 y, and then we have dot steric sine of x. This is my z function. So after that we need to create a mesh curtain plot. So create a mesh plot using curtains. So for that I am using a built-in function mesh z, and inside we have x comma y comma z. After that I am going to customize my plot. For that I am choosing a title, and inside of the title I am writing 3D mesh curtain plot. X label should be named as x axis, y label named as y axis, z label named as z axis. Let's run it. So we have created a 3D mesh curtain plot with an x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and title at the top. And we also add the vertical lines and we call it curtains that enhance the depth perception. So this visualize surface data with clarity and professionalism. So that's it. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your question or suggestions, and subscribe to the channel for more MATLAB tutorials. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.